Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of July 5th, 2016. Hope everybody had a good 4th. The charts we look at are provided courtesy of Gettess and their Trade Navigator software. And looking at a weekly bond market chart here, boy oh boy oh boy, we kind of thought support should be around 173.14. They have not been to that. They have, however, traded up to the resistance at 176.05. And, there is more support down here, 171.02, and even more at 168.08. And this market has gone so far this year and could certainly be tired and ready to drop off. And again, 176.05 is the resistance. But I'm going to continue to say this until the situation changes, and that is, this is a market making new all-time highs. And selling a market making new all-time highs is a really, really crappy way to try to make a living. So they're going to turn sometime, and this could be the week. I'm not going to be selling them. We'll let somebody else do the hard work and then try to sell a retest at some point. But that's what we're looking at this week anyway. Now, in stocks, things have gotten kind of ugly here, right? The last couple of weeks have had really high volatility and reversed each other. And this week, that resistance up there is 2103. That was actually traded kind of like Monday when everybody was barbecuing and watching fireworks. That could be it. I'm not going to tell you they can't reverse again just like the previous week. We're looking at support here at around the 2056 area at the middle moving average, and there's nothing to say that it won't go back down to 2007 area like in there. The volatility makes it awful hard to pinpoint anything, and I would remind you that what you see here is really just one day's worth of trading. This is just Tuesday. So that's as large a range as several of the weeks you can see back in this area here, and it's all in one day. I don't really have an opinion on whether they're going up or down. The reaction apparently was due to data from China overnight. I don't know how serious that is. I also have heard news reports blaming it on Brexit. Well, we ought to get over that. That was a while ago, right? The down and up supposedly was both reactions to Brexit, so go figure that. I think it's sort of like the Santa Ana winds. They're at fault for everything. So, again, they have traded to resistance. I think whether they hold this support here at 2056 is kind of important. If they hold that, I think they can go back up even still this week and perhaps next week go and pop to new highs. If they can't hold this and they're down to 2007 again, well, I don't know. This really, where they are now is right where they were several weeks ago. So despite all the volatility, they really haven't accomplished much of anything. That's a market going nowhere, and hard to know what direction to trade when the market is directionless. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something